Hello guys, good morning. Uh, I'm very happy to meet you once again, right? So guys, you may know that in our previous video, right? It was a very long session, about 1 hour long, right? We talked a lot about how to make an Android app using Andromo, right? So I promised you of bringing the next part of that, right? So don't worry, I'll surely bring that to you, right? Before that, I hope to make a video tutorial on another platform named as Upwork, right? So if you type Upwork, right, so I'm not directly going to that site, so I'm going to explain you what is this, right? So guys, you might know that there are many freelancing sites, right, like Upwork and Fiverr, right? So this is also one of the most trending and most profitable, right, platform. Okay guys, so next one is guys, freelancer.com, right? Freelancer.com. So this is also one of the best freelancing platform, right? So there are many people who earn millions, right, from here. So you can think, right? So if you have a skill, right, like WordPress, right, WordPress developing, and if you have branding ideas, illustrations and designing, right, so there is no second word, simply you can work in this site. Fine. So today I'm not going to speak about all these three platforms. I'm going to speak about only one platform, right? About only one platform named as Upwork, right? So I'll be talking to you and I'll be explaining you on how to get orders in these sites. So what is my experience as a freelancer, right? So how good you can do business in these sites. So I'll be explaining you completely, right? I'll be explaining completely in different video tutorials. So don't worry guys, I'll be surely helping you all, right? So don't forget to subscribe, like and comment our videos, right? Okay, fine. Now let us start the session. So if you go to Upwork, right, it's a company and it's an American, right? It's an American platform and it began in 2050, right? As an Upwork company's full name, right? Its full name is Upwork Global Incorporation, and also it's located in Francisco, California, right? So you can see the informations, right, founded in 2015. But you know guys, like now it's being only 7 years. This platform is like it's a super trending one, right? Almost everyone from every country are using this, right? So I'm not going to explain you a lot, right? Only going to explain this. And if people they're searching is Upwork good for beginners, yes, because if you are like the competition is very much low guys, right? Like more than Fiverr, right? So like here you have what, no competition, right? So you can send proposal to work, and if you have the talent to do that, surely the clients will select you. So that's the thing. So if we go to Upwork, right, so today I'll be explaining you how to like register in this site, right, and how to complete your profile and how to send a proposal simply. So guys, so this is one of my profile. So I have made this recently, right? I made this recently, and if you are like so we'll see you are a beginner, right? So I am logging out. Now you go to Upwork simply. Okay, this is how the dashboard looks like, right? This is how the dashboard looks like. So here you can see there are different categories like development and IT, design and creative, sales and marketing, writing and translation, right, and fee, finance and accounting, right? So you can see now, as you are a new beginner, right, so think that you have very good knowledge in logo designing and WordPress developing. I think you are the best, right? You are the best person to work in this platform. So here guys, you can say Shopify developers. So according to my experience guys, these Shopify developers, Android developers, and web designers and WordPress developers, they are highly valuable, right? Just guys, there are thousands of people, they are they are searching for good freelancers, right, to get their work done. So if you are a person who have that talent, I think you are the winner, right? So don't think about this competition and other stuffs, because I'll be explaining you one by one, right? I'll be explaining you one by one from the basic, right, from the signing up until getting a job, right? So I'll be not explain you everything at the same time, right? Like I'll be today introducing you to this platform, right? I'll be, don't worry, I'll be including the link below in the description, so you can go there and you can simply check it, right? So you can simply check it and you can understand what is this platform and what happens here, right? And you can can browse this site and search what are the categories and what is my talent and how can I work in this platform, right? You can simply do everything and you can do a simple research and you can start doing, right? Then you can simply start it. So guys, you can see here main companies, right, like Microsoft, Airbnb, GoDaddy, they trust this site. So you can see there is no any other thing to worry about this platform guys, because already this is a rank platform, right? Okay, fine. So if you are a new person, right, so hoping everyone, every like me too, right? So your aim and my aim is to make some money online, right? So if you are a newcomer to this site, simply click the sign up button, right? Simply click the sign up button, right? And I am going to explain you as a freelancer or a client, right? So if you have projects, you can hire, right? So if you click this I'm a freelancer, you can click dash apply as a freelancer. So guys, if you have a Google account, you can simply continue with Google, but in my case guys, right, in my case, I recommend you, right, I recommend you to fill this, right, first name, your last name, email, password, and your country, right? So make sure to give a mixed password. That means you have your capital letters, right, simple letters, numbers, and special characters, right? So if you have a mixing of those, it's very hard, right, for guessing. So it's better, because just think that now you have a good rating and you are earning a lot in Upwork. Then if someone hacked your account, then your business is finished, right? So it's better to use a very good password and write it somewhere securely. So guys, now I have an account. So right, it's simple, you can directly sign up in Google, or you can fill this, right, and you can click this one, right? If you need, you can click this, if not only this one, and you can create my account, right? So I'm simply going to log into my account, right? Fine. So I'm going to type my email, right? So fine. Another thing guys, now once you register, right, you will be getting an email for your your mail. So you have to first verify your mail, right? So then you are also your uh, what your phone number, right? So make sure to give the details, right? If you are going to give the details, real details guys, because if you give false details when you are withdrawing your income, it will be you have to face difficulties, right? So if you see guys, you can see there are these are the jobs, that mean the clients they have advertised in this platform. So if you can do this, but if you are eligible to do this, that mean you have to read this, right? So you have account, right? So this is my account and I had complete the profile because this is a new one. But you can right, so these are my categories, right? So you can see here, right? So this is how I have filled my uh, profile, right? So you can see I have added, right, I have added a description guys. And another thing guys, first if you are started, don't try to include more amount of, right? So just start with a small amount, right? And you can add your work history, your portfolio, your skills, right, your project catalogs, your certifications, right, and your experiences too. Like I recommend these guys, right? Right, so guys, what I recommend is you to fill all this. A video introduction is more better. Like you are going to introduce what you can do, right? So then people will understand that you are specialized in this, right? So your education, your portfolio are highly welcome, right? So I'll be explaining you, don't worry about those stuffs, right? So back to Upwork dashboard. So just think, I'm explaining, right? And if you come to this platform guys, it's super easy. You can go and fill the portfolio, other stuff, it's simple, right? So the main thing is guys, even though you fill up your dashboard or your profile, you have to get jobs, right? So to get jobs, it's not automatically people try to search when they are coming. First you have to apply, right? So another thing guys, before applying, please make sure the client you are applying is payment verified, and at least you have some jobs completed. So you can see here, this is a very genuine client, right? So payment is verified and he has spent more than $20,000 in this platform. So if you click this, right, if we click this, right, digital marketing, right? So we are looking for someone to set up a manage and affiliate links, right? And so he has given some like you have to complete this sales and X price. You have to have some skills in WordPress and e-commerce, affiliate marketing, and MailChimp, right? So people have said like 15 to 20 people have sent the right, and this client has interviewed 7, right? Invite sends 32, and also unanswered invites 90, right? So you can see the it's a very good opportunity if you can catch up this client. So guys, another thing is about this connects. So it's like a coin, right? If you send up a proposal, the coins will be reducing. So it's like an opportunity for this website. So I'll be explaining you that deeply, right? So guys, it's better if you can make a portfolio, right? Then only the clients will understand about you, right? So it's super simple guys. I gave an introduction today, right? You can browse this site and you can see hundreds and thousands of jobs, right? You can see hundred and thousands of jobs in this site. So guys, I think uh, fine, I guess, right? So you might like this tutorial and hope you enjoyed a lot. So thank you very much. Don't forget to subscribe and also like and comment and share, right? If you have anything, please include in the description section so we can improve in our next video session. So have a nice day.